That's fact. You feel the vibe is contagious. You feel the vibe is contagious. Look in your eyes, it is dangerous. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can tell off by the title, we are going to be doing a easy glitter cut crease. This is like a smoky eye. It's glitter, and today's glitter that I'm using is by NYX Glitter Brilliance. I'm sure you've seen this in the beauty supply store and you picked it up and you put it back down. I'm advising you to go get that glitter, honey, because it's going to be having you looking like this, number one, and you're going to feel expensive and bougie. Comment below of what you want to see other than this look, and I got you guys. Let's get into this video. It's so like party or whatever. I like to use my LA Pro Girl concealer as my primer for the glue. I know NYX has its own primer, but I like to use the concealer method. I'm gonna start off with this Maybelline 24-hour coconut foundation. This lasts all day, guys. We're gonna do like 2 pumps. Yeah, just 2 pumps. I like to put on my foundation first because if you do it after you do your eyeshadow, it's going to be hard when there's eyeshadow there. I don't know why I'm talking in pieces, guys. Please forgive me. You guys, don't forget to blend out your neck when you... Oh, I should have probably gelled down my natural baby hair. It's looking a little nappy there. But don't forget to blend out your foundation. There's a lot of people that don't do this, and you can see the mark around their face and it looks bad. Just blend it out. It takes 2 seconds. Literally blend it around your neck and stuff. Right, I'm going to use the LA Color Girls, this brown here. This brown is really cute and very pigment. LA Color Girls eyeshadow is really pigment for some reason. Like, look how brown it got my eye looking already. I'm using this brush here. It's just a fluffy brush. This is from AliExpress, I believe. So we're just going to apply some of that brown into our entire eyelid. So you just need a dark brown eyeshadow, and that can be your base, guys. After I use that, I'm going to go in with a more fluffier and delicate brush. This is a MAC brush, but the logo came off and the numbers, I don't even see it. So we're going to use this dupe palette here that I got from AliExpress. This is the dupe of a Morphe palette, and this is the number 35E. I will try to find this exact link of where I got this palette from on AliExpress. It has all these beautiful colors and they are so pigment. I'm gonna take this black right here since I'm wearing a black shimmery shirt. I'm just going to apply it in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm just going in a patting motion just to make that section there dark. You don't want to do it too heavy because you don't want to look like a clown. And we're just going to the club tonight, so we ain't doing nothing that exclusive, you know, just going out for drinks, and you want to look cute. Even if this could be like a birthday makeup also. So this is like a cute, calm, quick and easy. Make sure that it's like the same. My mirror is a tad bit far from me, but I think it's looking the same. I don't want to put too much on one eye. So the look you're going for is like a smoky eye. So we applied the brown and now we applied our black. Now we're just going to cut this and we're going to apply our glitter. It's that simple, guys. Real quick, this is an angle brush that you use to carve out your eyebrows. And we're going to use these 2 tools right now. This is in the color Warm Honey, you guys. If you're my complexion, even if you're lighter, even if you're darker than me, you can use the Warm Honey as your cut crease, as your highlighter. I love the color Warm Honey. Not really, it's not my color, but if you want to have that pop look, you should use a lighter concealer. So with this one, I'm going to use a closer mirror. Make sure it's a paste there, you know, so the glitter can sit on. So I just want a half glitter because once again, I don't want to look like a clown. So after you apply this concealer, you must right away put on your glitters. And I have pretty much flat eyes. I don't know how to call it, but I don't have like a hooded eye or anything. But if you do have a hooded eye, it should be easy also. Just close your eyes and make your eyes flat as possible and try to cut crease. Do not open your eyes. Now that I have a paste there, I'm going to apply the glitter. I like to use a brush for this glitter because you're going to be pasting on. So all you're going to do is take your NYX loose glitter and apply a little bit at the top of the cap. Not too much because you don't want to be messy. So that should be good for one eye. I'm just going to take the tip of this concealer brush, going to paste it on exactly where you put your concealer. I like to use my concealer top just because it's not messy, guys. It just sits there perfectly fine, and it sticks to the other concealer that you have on your eyelid. So make sure your eyes are closed for this method because for one, you do not want to get this glitter in your eyes. It's very irritated, very, very annoying. So try to get the corner. You know, another method is you can use lip gloss. Lip gloss sticks right away, guys. I used to use lip gloss when I was younger, but now I just use concealer because who got time to be wasting good old lip gloss? Like, when you're doing this, try to smear the edge so it don't look too harsh. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just smearing it. And I think I'm done here. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to dust off the loose glitter that's on my eyelashes so it don't go in my eye. So now that we're done with that eye, I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. Once again, I'm going to take my concealer with my angle brush. And I did this in a patting motion once I got the carve out that I want. I just started patting on the concealer instead of smearing it. And we're just going to apply. And voila, you're done. Now that I'm done with that, because of the I feel like this eye has more glitter. Because of the concealer, it made it look like a nude underneath my eyes, and I love it. So we're just gonna dust off the loose glitter that got onto your face. Let's move right on. We're gonna apply the highlight. This is the color Warm Honey. And now I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend that out. I like using a damp beauty blender when I do eyeshadow because I don't want to look too dry. But I also love using dry beauty blenders because it just gives you that dry look all day. And that's the look everyone goes for. Like, you don't want to look greasy. You want to look really matte. So that's why sometimes I use dry beauty blender. This beauty blender is from The Real Technique, by the way. Who else knows runs when they doing their makeup? Like, why does that happen? Try your hardest to get the corners. That's why I like to put on my concealer first, then do my eyeshadow, because then you miss a whole lot of spots. just make sure you blend it out really smoothly, really natural. That's key when doing your makeup. So we're going to contour now, guys. I will list everything that I'm using down below. I like to do this pucker face. And use that as an outline for my face. The key is to still have a pucker face when you're not doing the pucker face, understand? As I'm doing this, I'm working right here. Like I want right here to look dark, but then I'll also blend it out so that it can like give me that high cheekbone look. I like this side better than this side, to be honest. But I always have like that good side. I think that's my good side. Also, contour your forehead. You want to have a slim face. And I like to contour the bottom of my lip, just right here. It makes my lip pop out for some reason. Like it looks like, it just makes my lips look bigger, okay? So now we're going to bake. I'm going to be using the AIRSPUN translucent powder. This powder fell earlier, so I'm scared to open it. Here we go. I can just tell. Okay, it wasn't a mess. Using my damp beauty blender, I applied the loose powder with. I try not to bake everywhere because I don't want to look like a ghost. And this powder is pretty white when you put it on. You have to put it on very lightly, guys. I have this bump on my forehead that I'm just like, where did you come from? It's like everybody in my family. My sister has the same bump right here. My mom has the same bump. What's going on? Is somebody wishing bad on us or something? Because nobody got time for that, honey. So now I'm going to contour my nose a little. I'm not even going to go heavy with it. Just going to contour it a little bit since I didn't do it before my powder. Who else like that new Chris Brown song? Chris Brown is always making hits, guys. That song is in my head. It go doo 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 doo. I can't sing, but it's just in my head. It's just keep replaying in my head. Doo 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 doo. We're just going to dust off this powder with this brush I got from AliExpress. I'm so sorry, guys. My camera died, and if you see a little change in the lighting, I'm sorry. I hope I have the same lighting from before. So after I apply my translucent powder and I take it all off, make sure you don't miss any spots, okay? Because people are nosy. They be all in your face when you got on makeup. Like, sis, they be trying to like learn from just looking at your face. I do the same thing, so I shouldn't even be talking. So we're gonna go over with just the residue on your brush and just go over the contouring sections because you want your contour to look heavy, especially when you have like a smoky eye and you just want people to know that you contoured today, okay? Now let's blend stuff out. Go over it, blend it out, and everything will be Gucci. So now I'm gonna use this Color Mate eyeliner. I got this eyeliner from Dollar Tree. Yup, don't judge me because I be broke and bougie. So gotta do what a girl gotta do, right? You want to look cute. You ain't got the money, you better go to Dollar Tree. They got a whole lot of nice things in there. So we're gonna just apply this eyeliner. So now that I've finished putting on my eyeliner, I like to just blend out the little corners of where the eyeliner meets with my eyeshadow, just so it can look natural. I'm going to put my lashes off camera, but these are the lashes that I will be wearing today. And I found these eyelashes on AliExpress. I'll leave the link down below if I can find the link actually. They're long, but you don't know that they're long until you're up close to someone's eyes. Just gonna put these on and come back on camera like this. So guys, I just applied the dramatic lashes on. You can't really see them that much, right? But they're extremely dramatic. They're so lightweight. They're just the best lashes you can find on AliExpress. I'll leave the link to these down below. And also, I just applied a little bit of mascara underneath just to give it more of a smoky eye. I did not apply eyeliner underneath my eyes, which I probably should. But I want to just, you know, stand out a little bit, but not too much. Like, damn, she's wearing a lot of makeup. So now I'm just going to brush my hair so you guys can get the full look of this. Abari, looking cute. You about to go to the club. You're looking cute. You're looking calm. It's not too much. And I'm wearing a black bra underneath this. And I will pair it with some black high-waisted jeans, or, yeah, black high-waisted jeans with the shirt with some booties. You could even wear open-toe strappy heels with it, and it's just a cute, calm look for the club. You can get some cute Instagram pictures with this look. It's really slay, but it's quick and easy. You don't want to be that friend that's taking too long. You're going on a date, you don't want to take too long, okay? So this look, I hope it helped you guys out to get a cute, calm look. You pair with some lip gloss because you don't want to do too much. And I like to just apply a little bit of highlight. Not too much because you have on glitter eyeshadow already, so you don't want to apply too much. Just apply it on like literally one section. You don't want to look like a clown. Like, what if you don't go to the club and you just decide to go out to eat? You know, you don't want to, damn, you put on all that just to go out to eat. So just apply a little bit, but with, see, just like that. You don't want to do too much. Apply a little bit on the tip of your nose. So you guys, this is the lip gloss from Forever 21. They still sell it today, so go grab you some. It's the Plumpalicious, and this is in the color, I believe, rose. It matches all skin complexions. You guys, thank you so much for rocking out with me in this video. I hope you rocked out to the end and, you know, just get some tips on how to put on your makeup. You're going to the club, you're going out. You could even do this quick, simple look for a job interview, if anything. Guys, I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment below on what you want to see next. And I love you. I want you to be great. And yeah, thank you. Wait. Okay, whatever.